Welcome to the WingsOfun.com Pilot Safety Minute. This week, the NTSB conducted interviews regarding the Asiana Flight 214, and it was very eye-opening, some of the things that we saw in the transcripts from the cockpit. And in those transcripts, it was interesting to note that the captain that was flying at the time was coming in and getting lower and lower on the approach. And then also his airspeed was going down, and some of the crew was trying to tell him, airspeed, you're getting low on airspeed, low on glide path. And a lot of that culminated into the accident because nothing was done about it by the flying captain or the crew. And the sad nature of the accident was it did result in a couple of fatalities. We're trying to, as pilots, go and learn from these accidents like our industry typically does, which I think is a great thing, so it doesn't repeat itself. So what can we learn from this? Well, I think the question is, have you ever found yourself in one of those situations where you're flying with somebody and you notice something is not quite right? The airspeed's a little low, or it's a low approach, and do you say something or not? Well, you're probably not alone if you don't say anything. There was some material that was associated with this NTSB investigation with the Asiana flight, and they pointed to a study that was done of airline pilots regarding go-around approaches. So it said in 72% of the cases that when a pilot felt like there should have been a go-around initiated, that they didn't say anything. And this comes from training that really emphasizes the crew concept, and if you see anything wrong, to point it out, and not only point it out if it gets to the point of a danger that the other person that's not flying take over the aircraft. And this can translate to us in the general aviation community as well. Using some of the crew resource management techniques that the airlines use can really help us in general aviation. For a further discussion on this, be sure to check out our article in the free newsletter available at WingsOfun.com. Until next time, I'm TC Freeman.